Okay, so students, about the structure of eye, you have one queries. Okay, so we will try to resolve it. So if you see a normal eye, okay, from the front look, it looks like this. Okay, if you see someone eye, okay, it looks like this. But if you put them, okay, in sideways, okay, from sidewise, okay, it just if you go in deep, okay, if you just see on a eyeball, okay, eye structure, it is look like that from the sidewise. Now what you have to understand, okay, the first part which you normally see, okay, this type of rounded black structure, okay, in everyone eyes, which is known as pupil. Okay, so from this pupil, okay, the uh, light which whatever comes, as you know that we are able to see anything with the help of light only. Okay, so from this you can say this pupil, the light was goes, okay, inside, okay, from inside to the other structures, okay, which will be discussed now later. So this part, okay, this in this eye we use in greenish part, okay, this is greenish part is known as iris. Okay, iris is the main thing, okay, which is responsible for the color of okay, any individual's eyes. Okay, suppose someone's blue have blue eyes, so it means it has the color of its iris is blue. Okay, same as mainly in Indians, black and brown colors eyes are found. Okay, so this is the structure iris, and from it, it means it reflects that light. Okay, it reflects the green light here in this case. Okay, that's why we known as it iris color is green. Then to this type of structure also you see in the anatomy of the eyes. Okay, this type of structure which we read now. After that, okay, first we have to understand that other structures what are found in the between this pupil and this iris. Okay, so just outside this pupil you can see, okay, watery aqueous humor is filled here between this cornea. Okay, if one word you have said to say that outermost part of the eye is the cornea. Okay, this is the cornea. If you see the structure like this, okay, this is our eye from the sidewise cornea. Okay, and between cornea and this pupil is watery aqueous humor is found. Okay, watery aqueous humor found, it means it just do the lubrication of for the eyes. Okay, and just this structure if you see carefully, okay, this is structure is known as the retina. Okay, which is actual uh, light, whenever light comes, it just pointed out in this retina and we are able to see the things. Okay, and from this retina, okay, many these optic nerves are arises. Okay, the function of these optic nerves is to send the signals, okay, to our brain. uh, by this we have to have an idea that what are the actual image is in front of us. Okay, so mainly these optic nerves are related to our brains directly. Okay, that's why our eyes are situated near the brain. Okay, because it is very you can say they're sensitive organs. Okay, and they have to pass the message very fast. One more thing you have to understand here, that lenses, okay, these are the lenses just behind this structure is lens. Okay, just behind that pupil, okay, lens are found, okay, in which light is from which light is passing on, and we will see the different type of things. And two ciliary muscles, okay, ciliary muscles are also found in our eyes. And to hold on this lens, as you know that it has not a fixed shape, sometimes it's reduces, sometimes it's just squeeze out. Okay, so for this to maintain its you can say structure in the human eye, okay, vitreous humor in this area, okay, in this vacant area if you see here, This is known as vitreous humor. Okay, it is like a glassy structure somewhat. Okay, not pure glass type of structure, but it is somehow glassy, and it hold that lenses, okay, to their fixed position. Now, if we have to see anything from very far, okay, so our lens will be become, if you see the structure carefully in your book also given, this lens is somehow you can say that enlarged. Okay, the lens our enlarged, and it is very easy to see the far away things. Okay, so strain in our eyes when we see many close objects. Okay, so first we understand about that. If we see a far object, how the angles is formed in our eyes. Okay, suppose this is light are just found in our eyes, and these, if you see, okay, these are just pointed out, this retina, okay, in point here. If you see that angle, okay, very minute angle is formed here. Okay, but if you have to see a very nearby object, okay, suppose you are saying in your uh, phone now, so you have your lenses will be get somehow squeezed. Okay, and this, if you see that more than 45-degree angle will be formed here, okay, in this retina. So whenever you have to see, that's why it is advised when you see your television or phone for a while, then you have to take a rest and see the far objects. Okay, so for when we see the far objects, for our eye getting relaxed somehow in relaxed form. Okay, so this is the structure about the eye and its functioning. Okay, mainly if you see the anatomy of the eye, this structure you have to understand. Okay, and about these different parts I also share with the video in the group now. Okay, the retina and optic disc, blood vessels are filled in with, these are blood vessels filled in our eyes. Okay, muscles are there, iris, pupil, lenses, cornea, sclera, and their functions I already discussed in the previous class. Okay, and I also share with you a video of it.